Separation or divorce can be a tough experience for anyone, but understanding the process in Australia can make things a bit smoother. One question we often get is, can I separate without using a solicitor? Let's explore your options. First, let's talk about separation. In Australia, separation is straightforward. You don't need court forms and you don't even need both parties to agree. You simply tell your partner that the relationship has ended. You can still live in the same house and be considered separated. Now, while separating might seem simple, things can get complicated, especially when there's property, finances, or children involved. This is where getting legal advice from a solicitor is helpful. They can help you navigate tricky situations, divide assets fairly, and most importantly, protect your interests. It's also important to understand the difference between separation and divorce. Separation ends the relationship, but a divorce formally ends the marriage after 12 months of separation. Keep in mind, divorce doesn't deal with property or financial matters. That requires a separate legal agreement. So, can you separate without a solicitor? Yes, you can get started by making an informal agreement with your partner if you both agree on the terms. However, it's important to understand that an informal agreement is not legally binding, meaning either party can challenge it later. For your separation agreement to be enforceable, both parties are legally required to seek independent legal advice. This step ensures that both parties understand the rights they're giving up by signing the agreement. By getting the legal advice, your agreement will provide certainty and protect you from future claim. Separation is a big step, but you don't have to navigate it alone. Whether you choose to use a solicitor or DIY, make sure you understand your options. At RP Emery, we offer separation agreement templates and a legal review service to ensure your agreement is solid, giving you peace of mind and security for the future.